Hi, and welcome to CPAaccountantsirvine.com. Let's talk about why all businesses need accounting. As business becomes more and more global and complexities continue to emerge, certain fields have gained prominence in today's career market. One of these is accounting. Accounting is a very conceptual career or task, more a question of information handling than any hands-on approach to product. However, as trends change, accounting is becoming a little more diverse and less a question of crunching numbers. These days, there are specific kinds of accountants who do separate jobs as part of a given company. There are accountants who monitor spending and resource use. These are called audit accountants. Other professionals who use accounting information to guide procedures and to facilitate decision making, and these are referred to as management accountants. Ledgers and classic accounting belong more to audit accounting, while management accounting deals directly with the machinery of a firm. Both positions require people skills and analytical skills, and both types of accountants need to know how to use computers. Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel is popular in keeping accounting information available in a flexible format. As to the issue of how the two are related, audit accounting is often considered more essential to small businesses. A small business may not need any more oversight than the owner or general manager can provide, but someone always has to keep the books. Also, in management, the old adage may apply that too many cooks spoil the broth. Management accounting seems to be a more useful role in large companies that need many consultants to micromanage a variety of projects. Now let me tell you why accounting is a good choice in general. Accounting is becoming a very popular career choice. Some may shy away from it due to a version of how accountants have been described in the past. Some people don't like the numbers and consider accounting work to be unbearably dry or tedious. Others, however, have already completed their degree to become a CPA or a certified public accountant, and these may find themselves well placed in high-profile audit accounting positions. For others, management accounting provides a new look at a classic career. Either way, Irvine CPA shows that the study of this valuable field can be a good way to get into a certain kind of company. Many companies are hiring temporary accountants, and the abundance of opportunities means that employers and university graduates may be able to find each other through phenomenon of accounting, as the majority of these businesses turn their efforts toward the study of resource allocation, asset management, or simply crunching numbers. Here are some of the methods to use for accounting and paying taxes. When starting a business, you have to determine the method you are going to use for accounting and paying taxes. The two choices are cash method and accrual method. If you are looking for simplicity, the cash method is probably your best accounting choice. Generally, income and deductions can be claimed when payment is actually received or made. Some businesses are restricted from using the cash method. C corporations may only use the cash method if they have less than $5 million in gross revenues for a particular year. Service corporations like Irvine CPA can use the cash method without limit, while farming corporations can do so if gross revenues are less than $25 million. Tax shelters are prohibited from using the cash method. The accrual method. The accrual method of accounting is a bit more complex. Under this method, the focus is on the date the expense is incurred, not paid. Although this may seem like a small difference, it can play havoc with your books and peaceful mind. Generally, economic performance occurs when goods or services are provided to you. In the previous example, economic performance would arguably occur when the business cards and stationery were delivered with the invoice on December 30th. Thus, I would be able to deduct the expense for the 2011 tax year. Here is the difference between accounting versus bookkeeping. Most people probably think of bookkeeping and accounting as the same thing, but bookkeeping is really one function of accounting, while accounting encompasses many functions involved in managing the financial affairs of a business. Accountants prepare reports based in part on the work of bookkeepers. Bookkeepers perform all manner of record-keeping tasks. Irvine CPA recognizes some of them include the following: They prepare what are referred to as source documents for all the operations of a business: the buying, selling, transferring, paying, and collecting. The documents include papers such as purchase orders, invoices, credit card slips, time cards, timesheets, and expense reports. Let me tell you what bookkeeping basically includes. Bookkeepers also determine and enter the source documents that are called the financial effects of the transactions and other business events. Those include paying the employers, making sales, borrowing money, or buying products or raw materials for production. Bookkeepers also make entries in the financial effects into journals and accounts. These are two different things. Irvine CPA shows a journal is a record of transactions in chronological order. An account is a separate record or page for each asset and each liability. One transaction can affect several accounts. Bookkeepers prepare reports at the end of a specific period of time, such as daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. To do this, all the accounts need to be up to date. Inventory records must be updated and the reports checked and double-checked to ensure that they're as error-free as possible. The bookkeepers also compile complete listings of all accounts. This is called the adjusted trial balance. While a small business may have 100 or so accounts, very large businesses can have more than 10,000 accounts. The final step is for the bookkeeper to close the books, which means bringing all the bookkeeping for a fiscal year to a close and summarize. For more information and to schedule a free consultation, please visit us at cpa-accountant-irvine.com.